This is a used 2007 Ford Mustang, powered by rear-wheel drive, a 5.4-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed manual transmission. With fewer than 35,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. The features include leather seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, a premium sound system, aluminum rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, a spoiler, an alarm system, cruise control, keyless entry. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, side airbags, traction control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Parkway Autoplex is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1010 North Main Street, Cedar City, Utah, 84720.